Welcome to this 10-minute loving kindness meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, either on a chair with your feet flat on the floor or cross-legged on a cushion. Allow your spine to be straight but relaxed and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Letting go of any tension with each exhale. Let's start by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. There's no need to change anything. Just observe the flow of your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present and grounded in this moment. Now, bring to mind an image of yourself. Visualize yourself sitting or standing in front of you, as if looking into a mirror. Imagine a soft, warm light surrounding you. A light that represents love and kindness. This light is gentle, soothing, and all-encompassing. Silently repeat these phrases to yourself, directing them inwardly. May I be kind to myself. May I be free from suffering. May I experience joy and peace. May I be happy. Take a moment with each phrase, truly feeling the intention behind the words. Imagine this soft light growing stronger, enveloping you completely. Allow any feelings of love and compassion to arise naturally. It's okay if it feels a bit awkward or forced at first. Just continue with the practice. Next, bring to mind someone who has been kind to you. This could be a friend, a family member, or even a stranger. Visualize this person clearly and imagine sending them the same soft light from your heart. Silently repeat the phrases for them. May you be kind to yourself. May you be free from suffering. May you experience joy and peace. May you be happy. Take your time, really feeling the connection and love between you. Notice any emotions that arise and let them flow naturally. Now, think of someone you see regularly but don't know very well. This could be a neighbor, a colleague, or even someone you pass by often. Visualize this person and extend the soft light to them. Silently repeat the phrases. May you be kind to yourself. May you be free from suffering. May you experience joy and peace. May you be happy. Observe any changes in your feelings as you send love and kindness to someone less familiar. Allow yourself to feel the expansion of your compassionate heart. Now, bring to mind someone with whom you have a challenging relationship. Visualize this person and surround them with the soft light. Silently repeat the phrases. May you be kind to yourself. May you be free from suffering. May you experience joy and peace. May you be happy. If feelings of resistance or discomfort arise, acknowledge them without judgment. Allow the soft light to soften these feelings, even if just a little. Finally, let's extend this loving kindness to all beings. Imagine the soft light expanding from your heart, spreading out to your community, your country, and the entire world. Silently repeat the phrases. May all beings be kind to themselves. May all beings be free from suffering. May all beings experience joy and peace. May all beings be happy. Sit for a moment in this expansive feeling of connectedness and compassion. Allow yourself to bask in the warmth and love you've cultivated. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen once more. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Slowly open your eyes and take a moment to observe how you feel. Remember, the loving kindness you've generated here is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. I invite you to take a moment to share your experience in the comments below. How did this meditation make you feel? Did you notice any shifts in your emotions or thoughts? By sharing your experiences, you help create a community of support and encouragement for others. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to meditating with you again soon.